I just wanted to make this video real quick about geocaching. And here is Wikipedia's definition is it's an outdoor recreational activity in which participants use GPS to play hide and seek with containers. Okay, so this is like Easter egg hunt for adults. Okay, it's super cool. I'd always heard of it. I didn't know it was so easy to do. So all you've got to do is go and install like the official geocaching app, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So this is my phone screen, and so it looks like this. It's called geocaching, and so when you first log in, it's going to recommend a nearby cache for you to go find, and it will say, you know, hey, I see one hidden near you. Let's go look at it. And so you choose, yeah, okay, I want to look. And then you can go ahead and look at it. This one's called Under the Hog's Belly. And it'll tell you how far away it is from you and how easy it is and like the difficulty of the terrain. And then when you're ready, you can navigate to it if you want to. And so then you can look on the map and you can find other ones that are in your, you know, nearby location. Click on one and it'll give you a title, and then you can, you know, and the difficulty and stuff, you can navigate to it. It'll show you how. Now, it's not going to show you like on roads. It's just going to show you like, hey, here's how close you are. And, you know, when you've done, you can log it. Either you found it or you didn't find it. So some of them are kind of hard to figure out. Anyway, it's that easy. That's all you do. So try it. It's really, really fun. It'd be a great thing to do on like a field trip or a vacation to a national park, or actually a vacation to anywhere. It'd be cool. So yeah, check it out.